Hi, it's Sandy Parker, and welcome to Crafting for Almost Everyone. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to make a cover minder for your diamond paintings. I hope you'll stay tuned. Well, I don't know about all of you, but I recently realized that this bugs me. Every time I'm working on a section, you have to pull the paper back, and when you pull the paper back, it falls back in your hand and it makes that rustling motion. And I always thought these cover minders were kind of a stupid idea until I realized how this really does get in my way. So I took one of my mother's old earrings and took the pin off the back and put a magnet on it, and then took a button and put a magnet on it. And here's how you do it. You just put your piece on top and your button on the bottom, and that holds your plastic out of your way. And I thought I'd walk through how to do it with you. It's very simple. So let's make another set. I've already glued the back side of my pink button. All you do is you lay your button down, you put a little dollop of glue on it, and push this in. I had an issue with, I was going to use a little foam macaron, but the glue didn't stick to the foam macaron for whatever reason. So we're going to go with a different project. We're just going to use this. It's like a jewel. You know, it's one of my diamonds that I have that are, 40 carats. It looks like that. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to put it together. So I'm just going to put a dollop of glue about that big. You don't need a ton. And this is the best way to do it so that you don't burn yourself. And then you're going to center your bead right on glue. We're just going to let it set for a minute. Obviously, you only need one of these. The reason I have two is I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing when I made it before I did the video. So here's my first piece. I'm just going to take it off and keep that for when I need it. And then I'm going to take the backing off of the button off. I'm just going to move this to where I want it. I'm going to put the button on upside down, and then they will stick together and hold it. You can use things like little tiny cups, and then you can put some of your diamonds that are misshapen in the cup and then throw them away. I chose to just do something colorful and fun. Look how it moves around. It's magic. So that is my idea for today on how to make your own cover minders. Simple, easy, fast, inexpensive. I hope you give this a try. And if you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And please tell your friends about me on social media because you know I love that. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.